Hey, everybody. Got some news flash for you here. You don't need more followers. You need a system in your business. So right now, if you posted something on Facebook or Instagram and you wanted to like deliver a lead magnet, what would happen? You would be scrambling around. You'd have to copy the link, paste it in, DM the people. And then you might be thinking, did I send it to them? They just sent me a message 30 minutes ago, or the phone rings, you get busy. And then you think, well, let me follow up with them later. But guess what? Then the moment is gone. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your lead magnet actually deliver it itself automatically seconds as soon as somebody comments on whether it's Facebook or Instagram. No cut and paste, no babysitting your phone, no missed opportunities. And the best part, it takes less time than the hours you're already wasting right now trying to do all of this manually. Okay. Now, just take a second and listen to me. If you are feeling like that overwhelmed entrepreneur, you're trying to do all things and you're just feeling overwhelmed, I have a public service announcement for you. And I say this with love. You are probably the bottleneck. You are trying to do everything under the sun. And then what happens? The leads slip through the cracks. You get busy, you're tired, you go offline. You're trying to scale your business, but you're actually kind of afraid because you just don't know how can you handle more leads or more people coming into your business. And you take responsibility for everything, and especially following up on all these leads. You want to be personal, you want to have a little chit chat, but all of that is limiting your growth. So stick with me to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically set up these DMs. So when people comment on your post, you can automatically deliver all of this stuff, and you won't have to be constantly on your phone, tagging people, all that kind of stuff. And the beautiful thing is you can have all of the back end stuff automatically. So you can tag which lead magnets they opt into. You can segment your list. And you can do all of this inside of HighLevel. So basically, you take your simple lead magnet and you turn it into a mini funnel. And it's not complicated technology. Just wait till you see it. I'm going to show you here in a minute how easy it is to set it up. So what you're going to be doing is building this machine that works for you while you're coaching, sleeping, spending time with your family, okay? Because again, most entrepreneurs and business owners, they're exhausted because what have they done? They have created a job, not systems in their business. And that's why I'm constantly preaching HighLevel. I love this all-in-one marketing system that will do all of this back-end stuff for you. And it will get you off of that treadmill and allow you to actually focus on your CEO activities. All right. So again, let's go down that pain path again. Somebody comments on the post that you had, but it's 10:37 p.m. at night. You might glance at it, but you think, well, I'll send it to them in the morning. But guess what? The momentum has already been lost. Speed matters in this game. And automation is what's going to close that gap between that interest and the action. If you are trying to do everything manually, it's just going to delay everything. Okay. And the delay, what does that mean? Lost leads. What do lost leads mean? Inconsistent income. But again, HighLevel will pull all of that in together for you. You can set up your automation so it will trigger automatically based on the comments that people have. It will automatically send out these direct messages with people, send them the link so that they can download it. Then you can add them into your email nurture campaign. You can tag them. You can segment your list, all of that kind of stuff. And you can track, and you then have a tool so that you know what things are working in your marketing and what things aren't. And again, the beautiful thing, everything sits under this one umbrella. You're not duct taping a bunch of different applications and pieces together. You don't have 5 subscriptions. You're not using duct tape or Zapier to hold everything together. And you're going to see here when I show you on the back end, setting up these automations, super simple. It's a visual drop and drag. It's built for business owners and entrepreneurs like you that just want to get the job done and go on to the more important things. And the beautiful thing is you set these automations up once, it works forever. You can just duplicate it so that you've got another campaign coming out next week. Just duplicate it and you're good to go. So instead of chasing all of these leads, you're going to be capturing them automatically. Okay. So if you're tired of this manual follow-up, then this video is going to open your eyes. So make sure you watch to the end. I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can set this up. All right. So let me just share my screen here. And let me show you the back end, how easy it is. So I am inside of HighLevel, and over here to the left, It might look a little different depending on which person you're under. We'll see automations. And I like to set up my automations in folders here. Okay. And so I've already created this. I'm just going to walk you through how easy it was. So how do we get this automation to start? There is a trigger. And again, a trigger is just what starts this whole chain of action here. So I'm going to click on that so you can see it. The trigger is when someone comments on a post that you have. We set this up for Facebook and Instagram, okay? So we tell it what page it is, okay? So my Starr Consulting page, and what kind of post is it? It's a published post, and the post is what? And so here is the post that I've actually created, and that post I'm just inviting people to comment on the word tracker. And I've just put it in a couple of different ways. And you could have different phrases, like here I just have yes, because sometimes people don't read the directions. All right, so that's all it is. And again, you could just duplicate this each time you're going to use a different word to get people interested. And now I'm just going to save that trigger. And what do? Well, I assign it to a user, which is myself. There's some back-end things you can do when you assign to a user. And then this is the magic here. The next step is Facebook Interactive Messenger. Okay. And so what is the action that it's going to do once that trigger happens? It will reply to a comment via DM. And that comment was trigger. So if somebody types the word trigger, then this will fire off. And I just type a quick little message. Hey there, thanks for commenting on my post. Do you want me to send over my free success tracker? Because that's what I'm promoting right now. All right. And then there's actually just a quick little button. You could have different buttons here, but I want them to say yes. So yes, send it over. And what action do I want? I'm just sending them right here to this landing page. So there's a drop-down arrow. I just paste that in, and I'm going to save the action. And it's good to go. So as long as they comment on that, then my system automatically sends them that link, and they can download it. And then I could add more things on here, or I could go back and create, let me just say this, create another automation so that it will tag them and all of that kind of stuff. All right. So, and then all I did was come back here. I literally click these three little dots over here on the right, and I just told it to duplicate that workflow. And then in Instagram, the same thing. I've got that, we click here, and this time instead of Facebook, it's Instagram, and I have the post there, same words, and basically it's the same thing. Okay, so how easy is that? Let me come back here so that I can look at you. And then, I always encourage you to test it, do a quick little test, but then guess what? Somebody reads your post, they type in that phrase that you want, and it automatically fires it off. You don't have to worry about it anymore. And again, you can continue to add these different automations to it, tag them, put them in a welcome email, anything like that, and you can just continue to nurture them. So that's just a super simple way that you can start automating your business and using, again, my favorite all-in-one tool, GoHighLevel. I tell people, if you're going to open a business, usually you pay for, if it's a storefront, you have to have a cash register, right? That's what runs your business. This is what's going to run your business, whether it's a brick build, actual face-to-face business or an online business. This is going to run the back end of your business, and you don't have to be a tech geek to figure out how to use it. Super simple. And if you haven't signed up for it, use my affiliate link below, and you get, I think, 14 or 30 days free trial, and you get me to help you walk through everything. So I'll put the link in the comment below. I'll put the link for my success tracker also if you want to snag that to keep track of all your projects. And again, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, who do you know that would benefit? Share my channel with them, and make sure you hit subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.